Hello guys, in this video we'll see how to install and configure MySQL Server 8.0.43 on Oracle Linux 9 versions. Okay, first open any web browser. Then go to MySQL official website, that is mysql.com. Hit enter. Then click on downloads. Then scroll down. Click on MySQL community downloads. Then click on MySQL community server. Then select the version. See here we have the 8.0.43. If you are unable to find, click on archives. There you will find all older versions. Then select the operating system, Red Hat Enterprise Linux or Oracle Linux. Then select the OS version. See here we have the Oracle Linux 9. Select it. See, once we selected it, populated the list of the RPM packages that needs to be downloaded and installed. But instead of downloading each package, just download this RPM bundle. Click on download. Then click on no thanks, just start my download. See, download started and its size is about 900 megabytes. Wait until download completes. Once download completes, untap the star file and we will install RPM packages. This will take time. I am going to pause this video. In the meantime, please subscribe my channel for more tutorials. See, download is completed. Now open terminal. Go to downloads directory, cd downloads ls. See here we have the MySQL Server 8.0.43 tar file. We have to untar it. tar-xf MySQL. Then press the tab to autofill entire tar file name. Extraction completed. ls. See here we have the list of the RPM packages. We have to install them. Sudo rpm -ivh -no deps. Then star.rpm. Hit enter. Provide the password of sudo user. Hit enter. See, now it is installing MySQL Server 8.0.43. See, we have successfully installed. Now verify the status of the MySQL service. Sudo systemctl status MySQL D. See, MySQL Server is installed, but it is not started. So start it. Control sudo systemctl start MySQL D. Now verify the status. See, MySQL Server is running. Quick hit Control A. Now connect to MySQL Server. But to connect to MySQL Server, you must have the credentials of any MySQL user account. But we don't have any user account. So, but we can get the MySQL root account temporary password by going to /var log, then MySQL D .log get password. We have to run this with sudo. See, this is the temporary password. This is not same for you. Now set permanent password for root account. Sudo MySQL _secure installation. Provide this temporary password. Copy it. Paste it. Hit enter. Now we have to set the password for root account. Remember this password. Later we need this password. Change password. No. Remove anonymous users. Yes. Hello. No. Yes. Reload privileges. Yes. All done. So we have successfully set the password for root account. Now connect to MySQL Server. MySQL -u root -p. Then provide the password that we have set. See, we have successfully connected and see the version of the MySQL Server that we have connected. It is 8.0.43. We can also verify the same by running the command select version. See, we got the same. Okay. Now verify the list of the databases. Show databases. See, these are the default databases that comes with MySQL installation. Now create a database. Create database. Now verify the same. Show databases. See, new database bank is created. Now switch to this database and create a table. To switch to database, we have to run the command use, then provide the name of the database. Show tables. It will be empty because it's a fresh database. Okay. Now create a table and insert some data. Create table. See, we have created. Let us insert some data into this table. See, we have inserted these rows. Now we will create user. Before that, verify the list of the users. Show users, this won't work, but we can get the list of the users by running select user from mysql.user. See, these are the default users that comes with MySQL installation. Let us create user. See, you have created user David. Okay. Now connect to MySQL server with this new user. So exit from the current session. MySQL-u root. New username is David-p. Then provide the password. See, you have successfully connected. Let us verify the currently logged in user. Select current underscore user. See, you have connected to MySQL server with the user David. Now try to access the database that we have created. Use the access denied for user David to database bank because we have created user but we haven't granted any privileges. That's why you have received this error. Exit. Now we'll see how to start and restart MySQL server 8.0.43 on Oracle Linux 9. Sudo systemctl stop MySQL d. Verify the status. See, MySQL service stopped. So start. We can also verify the same by trying to connect to MySQL server. MySQL-u root-p. Then provide the password of root account. See, we are unable to connect because MySQL server stopped. So start it again. Sudo systemctl start MySQL d. If you give MySQL, it won't work. We have to give MySQL d. See, MySQL service started. Okay. If you want to restart, just give sudo systemctl restart MySQL d. Let us verify. See, MySQL service started or restarted 2 seconds ago. Until now, we have connected MySQL server by using MySQL command line client. We can also connect MySQL server by using most popular tools like MySQL Workbench or DBR. You can search for my YouTube channel how to install MySQL Workbench or DBR on Oracle Linux operating systems. Okay, so you have successfully installed ls. These files are not required anymore, so I am going to remove them to clear the space. rm star.rpm. This command will delete all RPM packages from the current directory. ls, we have one more file, remove it. rm mysql, then press the tab to autofill entire tar file name. Enter ls. See, everything is cleared. So we have cleared the space. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to download, install, configure MySQL Server 8.0.43 on Oracle Linux 9. Okay, for more tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.